welcome for dinner drink. We are red velvet.